Do you feel like you have given the thought of meal prepping and the possibility of doing that a fair enough shot in your life? Because today we want to look at this concept. Whenever we say, I don't have time to plan meals, or I'm not good at cooking healthy meals, we need to look at this objectively. Do we truly not have the time, or are we not prioritizing our time around whatever our goal is? Because after we set those SMART goals, we need to begin to prioritize the action that we are taking around whatever aim that we are shooting at, whatever path that we need to take in order to get from point A to point B. We need to challenge ourselves to replace negative thoughts or negative connotations such as I don't have the time. We can turn it into I can make time for meal planning by prioritizing it and finding efficient strategies. Okay? And we can also take action to reinforce that positive belief by actually engaging in meal planning and prepping activities. And we can start small and gradually increase those efforts over time. Just because I decide I want to meal plan doesn't mean that I need to pump out 100 meals in one sitting. No, that means, okay, so let me take 5 to 10 minutes today. Let me find a healthy, balanced recipe that is easy to duplicate. I'll make a large pot of noodles, a large pot of chicken, and I'll grab some spring mix at the store. I'm gonna put all of that into my meal prep containers with my sauce, and I'm gonna eat that meal 5 times this week because I have enough to do that in one sitting. It'll take all of 30 minutes to get all that put together and everything cleaned up afterwards. If you can take 30 minutes to do that in a week, you're gonna quickly find out that it's not as hard as you think it is, that rather you're limiting yourself in your beliefs. You believe that it's hard, but you haven't actually walked it out to see if it's hard. And those are the types of things that we need to constantly be evaluating in our health journey, in our weight loss journey, in our beginning to try to better ourselves, try to get rid of our brain fog, trying to get rid of our low energy. These are all things that have to be evaluated because change happens from the inside out, not the other way around, okay?